Hello, this is me Padma. In this video, we are going to see again one more quadratic equation problem and which belongs to exercise 6C question number 4 of concise mathematics. So here in this question, they are talking about 1 year ago, a man was 8 times as old as his son. Now his age is equal to the square of his son's age. Find their present age. So they have given information between the son and the man. Okay, so first let me write man, son. So what is their present age? That is what we are going to find. So as of now, I am considering the present age of son as x and the present age of man as y. And they have talked about 1 year ago, right? So 1 year ago means what is the son's age? It's going to be x minus 1 and the man's age is going to be y minus 1. And here they told 1 year ago a man was 8 times as old as his son. So how to represent this? A man was 1 year ago 8 times as his son. So this is what the first equation we got with respect to 1 year ago. And what is the next statement they have given? Now his age is equal to the square of his son's age. That means now the man's age is y is equal to square of his son's age. So it's nothing but x square. So this is what the second equation we got. Using these two information, we are going to find their present ages. So yes, now we can substitute equation 2 in equation 1, right? So substitute 2 in 1. So what will happen in the place of y? We are going to replace with x square. So x square minus 1 equal to 8 into x minus 1. Now we will start doing the simplification in order to get a quadratic equation. X square minus 1 equal to 8x minus 8. Yes, we'll move everything to the LHS. Minus 8x and plus 8 equal to 0. Now we'll make in the proper format x square term, then x term is only one term and the constant are two terms. So after simplifying it is going to become plus 7 equal to 0. Now we need to do the splitting of middle term. So how to do the splitting of middle term over here? So I can do minus 7 and minus x. So right, minus 7x and minus x plus 7 equal to 0. So now we are going to group this one. How to group it? So in these two x is common, so we can take x in common, remaining x minus 7. And in these two we can take minus only in common, minus 1 as common, so the remaining is x minus 7 equal to 0. So now again x minus 7 is common, so the remaining is x minus 1 equal to 0. So now we got the answer as x equal to 7 and x equal to 1. So we got two answers. But how to verify which answer is right? So if the present age of son is going to be 1, then what is the present age relation actually? From equation 2 only we need to take, right? So here the present age of son is nothing but x. So don't use unnecessary s variable, x equal to 1. So from equation 2 they have given the relation between the present age of both father and son. So father age is going to be x square. So y equal to 1 square, which is impossible, right? Both how they can have a same age. So that's the reason we are rejecting the value x equal to 1 and we are going to consider the value x equal to 7 as an answer. So now what is the present age of the son? X equal to, son's age is x, right? So first we'll write that son's age, which is x, is equal to 7 years. And now the man is going to be, what is the relation between the son's and man's age in the present thing? So it's nothing but it's going to be x square and actually the man's age in y format. So 7 square will give us 49 years. So these are the answer for the question. Thank you.